Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Kate and we share practical and science-based information here. One of my personal struggles and also what I observe from other people is this deep understanding and feeling that I'm not good enough. And I was really interested to understand how does this imprints in our body and in our psyche. So I had a conversation with Arnina, NVC trainer, TED speaker and author about how does the little body start to suddenly understand and feel that he or she is not good enough. So that was very insightful conversation for me, and if you will find it useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now welcome Arnina.
I can divide all needs into two families. The needs of security and the needs of freedom. And we are forced, because we come to the world so dependent in this small existence for such a long time, and here's where the attachment theory comes in so powerfully. We cannot exist without the other. So I have to adjust. And this is the consciousness I'm being born into. That the needs depend on other, the fulfillment of the needs. The needs are in me always, but the fulfillment depends on others, and that dependency creates beliefs in me. So many of the existing beliefs will be, I am not good enough. Only if I'm a good boy or girl, I will be accepted or belong. Okay, this is a belief. This is not a description of life. But we don't know that. We think this is an explanation of what's going on. Oh, they're angry with me or between themselves because I'm not good enough. So I need to be the great girl taking care of my mom. Because I know from the womb that she is distressed. Okay, and I have the instinctual inclination to do good, like all of us. And my particular structure of, the personality or whatever we are, will lead me to do this and be quiet, or be very naughty, they will call it. But this is my expression of being. Please understand me. That's the cry underneath all that. And if I would be more inclined to the needs of the freedom, for example, I will not trust others. I will lose the trust. I will invent a belief that would say, for example, there is no one there to rely on. I will go inside. I will cut my expectations, namely the connection, and I will have the pattern of only doing for myself. Not asking for favors, for example. Okay, so we have
not letting people to help you as well.
And not letting others but help me because I cannot trust them. The journey is to, every time again and again, because the patterns will come back, and I will judge, and I will be judged, and I will be expecting and shooting and everything. I will because it's there. Because society as a power will feed me with that kind of messages. Okay. Can I, clean the dust every time? Go inside, embrace myself, embrace the little kid here that I was. I'm a mom, yes. I'm a dad, yes. But I'm a little kid also. And this little kid, when that little or grown-up kid is doing whatever it is reacting from that primal place. And I want to honor that. I want to honor that. I cannot be perfect because it does not exist. What does it mean to be perfect? It means not being human. Unless we say everything is perfect. So everything is perfect as it is. Okay, fine. I agree. Fine. Including all the anger and the hurt and the guilt and the shame, everything. Okay, so this is about being human? Okay. How can I play with this within myself and with those horrible creatures that I love so much, that to make our life flow again?